I know criminal. I know thief. I am Tony Montana, a political prisoner from Cuba.
So, you want to go to Hollywood, huh?
Mr. Hollywood.
Citizen Kane. As in Citizen Kane? The best movie ever made?
I'm more like a citizen.
Citizen who one day
Will become the king.
the king.
The king of what?
你一定要俾啲心機。
我睇好你㗎。
仲有咧，你自己拍嗰啲片啊，你應該俾多啲人睇，唔好成日淨係俾自己睇啊嘛。
荷里活大細，荷里活有咁巴閉啊！
I tell people what to do. Nobody tells me what to do. You don't come around here like Mr. Big Shot lecturing me on this business. I am Hollywood producer.
I'm Hollywood.
佢哋唔會明白你，但係我明白。加油！